Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to look at an introduction to exponents. So let's start with the definition. Let a be a number and m be an integer such that m is greater or equal to 1. Then a to the m is defined as a times a times a m times. And so a is called the base and then m is called the exponent. And we read a to the m as a to the m, or we can say a to the mth power, like that. So let's look at some examples. Using the definition of exponents, simplify. So 2 to the 3 means 2, 2, 2, 3 times. And this gives 8. So 2 to the 3 is 8. Here we have negative 3, all of that to the 2. So we have negative 3 times negative 3, which gives 9, like that. Negative 1 to the 4, right? It's all of it to the 4 because there's brackets there. And so we have negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. Multiply that and we get positive 1 as such. 3 over 5 to the 3. This means 3 over 5 is multiplying itself 3 times. So we multiply the top for fractions, 27. Multiply the bottom, 125, like that. Here we have negative 4 to the 2. The 2 is only touching the 4. It's not touching brackets of negative 4. It's only touching the 4. So we have negative that remains, and 4 squared means 4 times 4, like that, which gives 16. So negative 1 times 16, negative 16, like that. So look at the difference between these two, like that. You can see it's all of this to the 2, or just 4 to the 2. Okay, so it's a common thing to watch out for. And then f, 0 to the 5, means 0 times 0 times 0 times 0 times 0, and that gives 0, like that. And I just want to share with you, when it's a to the 2, we usually say a squared, because it's a times a, so it makes a square like that. And a cubed is a to the 3, so we go a, like that, and it makes a cube if you do it 3 ways like that. So that's why we call it a to the 3, a cubed. Okay, time for some practice. Using the definition of exponents, simplify these expressions. Okay, we're back. So 1/4 squared, 1 over 4 times 1 over 4. So 1 times 1, 1, 4 times 4, 16. 3 to the 3 is 3 is happening 3 times, like that. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 2 to the 5, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, like that. These 2 is 4. These 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2, 32, as such. Okay, and so more practice problems here. There you go. Go ahead and simplify these expressions. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. Okay, we're back. So here we have all of negative 4 squared. So negative 4 times negative 4 gives 16. Negative 4 squared, we have just the 4 touching the exponent. So it's negative times 4, which gives negative 16. 0 to the 3, 0, 0, 0. Multiply that, you get 0. 2 squared times 3 squared. 2 squared means 2 times 2. 3 squared means 3 times 3. So this means 4 times 9, which gives 36. Here we have 2 squared times 2 cubed. So we have 2, 2 for the first one, and then 2, 2, 2 for the second one. And we multiply that out, and we get 32 as such. 2 over 3 cubed. So 2 over 3, 2 over 3, 2 over 3. Multiply the top 8, multiply the bottom 27, like that. So let's look at another concept here. Let a be a number such that a is non-zero. So a cubed means a. A squared means a. So we notice that we divided by a going down by 1. A to the 1 is just a. So we notice that as this gets smaller, we divided by a, like that. And so this is why a to the 0 is 1. We're dividing a by a again. A over a is 1. So we define any number to the 0 to be 1 as long as a is not 0. So 2 to the 0 is 1. 5 to the 0 is 1. 10 to the 0 is 1. So here's some examples. 2 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the 2 is 2 times 2. So this is 1 times 2 times 2, which gives 4. 3 to the 0, 1. 4 to the 0, 1. So 1 times 1, 1, like that. 1/5 to the 0, 1, like that. Okay, so it's any number as long as it's not 0. To the 0 gives 1, like that. So let's look at a special case here of 0 to the 0. What should we give that as a value? If we look at the exponent being 0, we notice that 2 to the 0 is 1, 1 to the 0 is 1, so maybe 0 to the 0 is 1. So there's a possibility there. But then what if 0 is the base? 0 to the 2 means 0 times 0 gives 0. 0 to the 1 means 0. So 0 to the 0 could be 0. So this is where we have a problem. It could be 1 or it could be 0. So we simply say 0 to the 0 is undefined, like that. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.